No, brown fat activation explained. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that scientists have discovered a special type of fat in our bodies, called brown fat, that can do exactly that? Now, before we dive into this powerful natural tea recipe that helps activate brown fat, take a moment to drop a comment and tell us where you're watching from and what time it is there. We love seeing how far this healthy habit spreads around the world. And if you're passionate about natural health and wellness tips, don't forget to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos. Now let's rewind a bit and set the stage. We live in a world where sleep is often the only quiet moment we get. But what if you could turn that quiet moment into your body's secret weapon for burning fat? Scientists have found that unlike white fat, the kind that sticks to your belly, arms, and thighs, brown fat actually burns energy to keep your body warm. Imagine that, a type of fat that helps you lose more fat. Think of brown fat like a tiny internal heater. While you sleep, your body temperature drops. That's when brown fat kicks in, using your unwanted white fat as fuel to generate heat. But here's the key, you have to activate it. And that's exactly what tonight's tea is designed to do. Using all natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen, this tea activates brown fat and turns your body into a fat-burning machine while you sleep. Let's break it down quickly. There are two main types of fat. White fat stores energy and makes us feel heavier. Brown fat burns energy to produce heat. Most people don't realize that brown fat is activated by certain foods and habits. And if you do it before bed, your body will literally burn white fat all night long. So, ready to light your internal fireplace? Let's talk ingredients. This evening, tea is a beautiful blend of ancient traditions and modern science. Turmeric, packed with curcumin, it helps transform white fat into brown fat. It's also anti-inflammatory and soothes your body before sleep. Black pepper helps your body absorb curcumin 2,000% more effectively and jumpstarts metabolism through a process called thermogenesis. Cinnamon stabilizes blood sugar, reduces fat storage, and promotes fat burning. Coconut oil contains MCTs that your body burns for quick energy rather than storing as fat. Unsweetened plant milk, like almond or coconut milk, provides a low-calorie, nutrient-rich base. Optional, honey, for those who want a little sweetness without the guilt. Here's how you make it. 1. TSP turmeric powder. A pinch of black pepper, ground cinnamon, or 1 cinnamon stick. TSP coconut oil. Cup plant milk, almond or coconut, optional. 1 how TSP honey step by step. Pour your plant milk into a small pan and heat it on low. Add turmeric, black pepper, cinnamon, and coconut oil. Stir gently for 3 to 5 minutes. Keep the heat low, don't let it boil. Turn off the heat. Strain if necessary. Add honey if desired. Drink warm 30 to 60 minutes before bed. That's it. Simple, quick, and so good for your body. But wait, it's not just about weight loss. This tea can help improve your sleep quality, reduce bloating and gas, calm inflammation, stabilize your blood sugar, support brain health, boost digestion, relax your nervous system. It's like a warm hug for your insides. And the best part? It supports your body's natural ability to burn fat without needing intense workouts or strict diets. Consistency is key. Make this tea part of your nightly ritual. Dim the lights. Turn off your screens. Sip your tea slowly. Breathe deep and unwind. Give your body 21 nights to respond. That's 3 weeks of nourishing your system from the inside out. Quick note, while this tea is natural, it's powerful. People on blood thinners or with liver conditions should consult a doctor first, especially due to turmeric and cinnamon. Diabetics should monitor blood sugar closely if using honey. Everyone's body is unique. Pay attention to how yours responds. Some may prefer more cinnamon. Others might like a pinch of ginger. Feel free to experiment. So what happens when you stick with it? The first week, you'll likely notice better sleep and digestion. After 2-3 weeks, reduced bloating and more energy. By week 4, your waistline may start to slim down as your body burns fat more efficiently, naturally. No magic pills. Just nature doing what it does best. So if you're looking for a gentle, holistic way to support fat loss, improve your health, and sleep like a baby, try this tea tonight. Tell us in the comments where you're watching from and what time it is. We're building a global community that's healing and growing together. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss tips like this one. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.